Strictly Strings, Book 1, page 17, bowing E and F sharp on the D string and working with skills like pizzicato, arco, switching the bow from pizzicato, and the new skill of holding the bow and playing pizzicato. First, let's check our strings, and hopefully we'll be closely in tune together, but we remember that small adjustments can be made with the fine tuners, or for basses, the adjusting pegs. Violin, viola, cellos, we learn to use our pegs later as we get older, but most of our tuning can be done with our fine tuners or string adjusters until then. A string, D string, G string, C string, E string. Now, as we approach this page, we want to have our bow in hand. We'll check our bow, hold violins and violas, curve pinky, curve thumb, cellos and bass, relax fingers over the side with the curved thumb. And we want to go through those beginning pages that we learned about our checklist for how to correctly hold our instrument, how to balance it comfortably, how to position our left hand so that our fingers are in the right place and the right shape. So everything that we learn that is new builds upon what we've previously learned. In song number 1, you'll see the first time we're going to play pizzicato and the second time arco. So my easiest trick for switching between the two is as you hold your bow, just wiggle your index finger and just be ready to pluck just like that, so you can switch quickly to the bow. Let's give it a try. And we'll set our metronome as always to get a nice beat going. And page 17, number 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4. With the bow. So as we go on now, we'll see that every time we start a song, we're going to assume it's with the bow unless it says pizzicato. And when you've been playing pizzicato and they want you to switch back, they will put the word arco to remind you, okay, now we switch back to using the bow. Number 2 is all arco. Let's do it one time. Number 2. And 1, 2, prepare the fingers, here we go. Bow lift. No repeat. Good job. You could do the repeat on your own if you'd like. Number 3. 1, 2, number 3. Lift. Lift. No repeat. And number 4. Number 4, ready, go. Very good. So if you need a break at that point, it's a good time to maybe stretch out your shoulders, shake out your hand. You could take a break after every song in the beginning if you need. So this is an opportunity for you to pause, do a little hand stretch, and then pick your instrument back up when you're ready. And it is a good idea to do songs twice because that helps you learn to read the notes better. When we look at a note from now on, now that we're reading notes, we should think in our mind that note is called D, E, or F sharp. So not only think about what finger number you use, but what is the note name. Going on to number 5, hot cross buns. We'll do this one 2 times. 1, 2, prepare the fingers, number 5. Those 2 little dots mean prepare. Very good with the bow lifts. Excellent. And as I mentioned, the little tiny dots at the beginning of the song mean prepare the fingers. Put down your other fingers ahead of time. Now for Merrily We Roll Along, we'll do this one first time pizzicato, second time arco. So try to make your beautiful bow hold. Again, this is violin, viola, bow hold. Release that index finger. And for this song, we'll keep it at quarter note equals 80. So a little slower than we were doing on some other songs so that we can get it accurate. Prepare the fingers, number 6. And 1, 2, pizzicato. Now arco. Lift. Bow lift. Very good. So it's at a point right now where we'd want to check in and ask ourselves, has our bow been going the right way? It's very important for bows to move together because it looks pretty in an orchestra. So we see the down bows move together, the up bows move together, and the way we think about it is down means we're starting at the frog or near the frog and we're going towards the tip. And up, we're starting near the tip or the upper part of the bow and we're going towards the frog. So we have to remember that feeling of down and up. Our last song is Add the Bar Line, so you could take a pencil and count 4 beats and then add a line. 4 beats and add a line. Let's try the song Add the Bar Lines, or you can always pause the video to draw them in first or draw them in after. Number 7, ready, go. Great job. And any song that was problematic, pause the video, rewind, try it again, or play it twice with the repeat sign on your own. Happy practicing.